Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Let me start this video off by saying congratulations to Dalton for winning X Factor UK 2018. But we knew it. We knew it was coming, okay? And we predicted it a while back. I'm about to play a clip from a video we uploaded on SouFLoTV on November 4th of 2018. Remember, the finals was December 1st. Here we go. Dalton Harris just won X Factor. I don't care what nobody says. The video I did before this, I'm willing to put my money on the table now. Anybody want to bet, please call me up. There's no way this youth cannot win X Factor. I'm listening to him sing. Did y'all notice that Dalton, we can't have the same name. Dalton actually gave them a new hairstyle. Round 3. He just proved that he is going to win. This is entertainment. This is talent. This is ours. Embrace him. Support him. Lift him up to the world. Alright? That way all of us can be proud and be like, yes, 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 Dalton. I can't wait for it. Remember I told you, he won X Factor UK 2018. I'm out. Peace. Alright, so this icon that you're looking at right here, this is actually our icon. I created this icon for the video, and the title of that video is Dalton Harris just won the X Factor UK 2018 with Radiohead Creep. And that video clip you just saw of me saying Dalton Harris just won, that's that video. You can go look it up on SouFLoTV. That video was placed there from November 4th of 2018. So yeah, we called it. We predicted it and we saw it. And the reason we saw it was, come on, look at his talent. Here's another video that we did previously. And in this one right here, we talked about his background and where he's at now and how he's not being supported enough by his people. And then here's another one right here we did. Yes, we did quite a few Dalton videos before we even did any videos concerning him sitting on another contestant's lap. That went viral and caused all that drama. And you saw the title in that video said he is chosen to win X Factor. For some reason, I saw a chain of events that made me believe he was chosen to win. Anyways, right now, people are asking me this. Did the gay rumors help? Did his poverty story help? Did the drama and the hoopla with his mother help? And as you know, Dalton has told his story, and a lot of people are sympathetic about him growing up dirt poor, coming from poverty, coming from abusive conditions at the hands of his mother, and so on and so forth. And people are saying that that brought more sympathy. More or less, people are asking, do I think that any of that helped? Right? Well, at this point, we cannot say that it hindered. It definitely, I don't know if it helped, but I know that it didn't hinder him from winning. Now, what I will say though is this: maybe it did bring more people to become curious and go find out who is this person, what's all the hoopla about, right? Why are so many people upset that he might be gay? Why are so many people saying his story is sad, or his story is, or he's lying, or he's looking for a stay in the UK, or whatever the case may be? You know, controversy sells, especially in the entertainment field. And he's now at the top of the food chain in the entertainment field, right? And I think that whatever happened there brought a lot of attention to his story. I don't think that's what caused him to win. I think he won it off sheer talent. Remember, I predicted he was going to win before all of that started, before all of that came out. And the reason why I was able to do that is because after I sat down and watched everybody that he was singing as competition against, there was no competition there for him. Be honest. Alright, now let's move on. Many did not vote who could have voted, but will celebrate and pretend that they contributed. Y'all know who you are, right? Let your conscience be your guide. But you know you were in a position to vote. There were a lot of people that were not in a position to vote simply because voting wasn't permitted in their country where they're from, and they still found ways or tried to find ways to vote. There are people right there in the UK that would get on social media every day and say, yes, I hope he wins. That fake support right there could be so damaging, give a false sense of security. But again, that's all behind us now. He won, right? Where is Bounty Killer? You know, the big bad mighty Bounty Killer. Everybody is asking, where is Bounty Killer? Did Bounty Killer give a shout out? Did Bounty Killer say congratulations? Why is it important? Killer's opinion important and all this other stuff. Alright, so in our genre of music then, we have reggae and dancehall music, right? Without talking about soca or calypso, sorry, not soca, and mento and all the other ones that go way back to the beginning of our music. We're talking about what's hot now and been trending for the longest. So Jamaica is known around the world for dancehall and reggae music, reggae dancehall music. And in the reggae dancehall music, Bounty Killer is known as what? A 5-star general. The real general, right? So when he gives his opinion, it weighs heavily. One thing I will say, Bounty did say from the beginning, and he was upfront and he was honest. So I'm thinking that even if he says right now, he did say, look, I'm withdrawing my support. I think he had a Dalton picture and comments under it on his Instagram, and he removed them, right? He said, I'm withdrawing my support, but I wish him all the best anyway. So I'm willing to think that Bounty didn't vote for him because of that picture that came out. People are saying that's ignorant and all that other stuff. Okay, it happened and now we're past that. I don't know where Bounty Killer is, don't ask me. I did go check on his Instagram though to see if he would have actually at least said congratulations youth, but of course it would be damaging for him to say that now, because people are going to say, move on, go, yo waganis. Now the youth, when you come tell him about congratulations, but you actually took your support from him when he needed it the most and all that other stuff. So hey, goes to show, man, when your stars align, no one can stop you, and whether they support you or not, you're still gonna win, right? So what we need to talk about now is where people are curious, especially for my people that really don't understand the intricate details of this whole competition. So people are asking, what exactly did Dalton win? Some people are saying he's supposed to get £1 million up front, £1 million, and a bunch of other things. His life will never be the same. He's gonna be extra rich. That's like 160 something million Jamaican dollars. Well, it's not quite so. Actually, in all actuality, he just won a record contract with Psycho Records, which is a label that was founded by Simon Cowell, and the label is actually owned by Sony. The cash value of that deal was originally £1 million when the show debuted, but that amount has declined steadily over the years. So since 2011, on paper, this is what's been recorded. The act that wins gets an initial advance of £150,000. So it's safe to say that Dalton is probably going to get an initial advance of £150,000. That's upfront money right there for first album. And of course there are other things that come along with this. He'll be on tour. I think they have the X Factor tour coming up. He'll be headlining that, and they'll be going a whole bunch of places around the world. And then he has other places and engagements which will be paying gigs, right, on top of working on a first album. Then there will be a £237,500. That's the next payment if the first album is successful, and that will be the advance money for your second album. Then there's a third advance payment which is of £315,000. Now the money keeps getting bigger as you notice. So all in all, this is supposed to come down to a four album deal. And on the fourth, but the artist must impress the record company with every album. So by the time he gets to his third album, and it's about now time to drop a fourth album, providing he's still in good standing with the record company, he will be getting a £400,000 upfront advance for his fourth album. So that should give you a little insight as to how the money part works out of what he has just won. All in all, it's a very good deal. If you listen to his story, you know he came up through a lot, right? He's been through a lot. Reggae music did not take him to the world this time. It was a vehicle, it did give him a start, but it was not what won him what he has now, right? What won him what he has now was his ability to switch, to be fluid in his delivery of not only reggae music, but other genres of music as well. And it was another genre of music that got him here. All in all, we celebrate and we say hooray and good luck.